Well, here we are in the middle of it again. I jacked it up a couple inches. Got this frame up off of the, or body up off of the frame. These weren't welded in, so I welded them in real good all the way around. And we got it painted black again. Now I'm in the middle of trying to decide where I want to put this bucket on. It looks like overlapping is about where I got it. I'm not sure which way anything goes here. Pretty sure I got the body on fairly straight. I still got it up in the air. But anyway, I ground off all this stuff. I put on a remote oil filter. I just got it hanging here for now. Looks kind of stupid, but it looks like the best place to mount it's going to be right there. I've got these bored. Yeah, this one's too far forward. I can tell that the body's got to be moved around a little. Yeah, just give it a yank here. Anyway, got this kind of clamped on. It's too low. Had it on better before. Anyway, that's kind of where I'm at. Trying to figure out, once I can get this body on and pretty straight, and then I can figure out how am I gonna make braces in there to hold it up. This trunk's gonna be kind of a nasty thing to do. You gotta make something pretty weird there. I'm just trying to decide whether it's better to bring it up some. The body's up about 2 inches right now, and this is almost on the rear end. We got like an inch or so there. I don't mind cutting more of it out. Originally I thought it'd be better to have the bottom straight and make a bracket there. I can come off of this 2x4 thing and run a brace up in there, and then straight forward under it, 6-7 inches long. I could probably hook something on that back one, like an angle iron or something, and bring it down and bolt that little piece to it. But I've got like a 2-inch gap here. I'd like to try to get rid of that if I could. It's pretty straight down in here. Anyway, that's where I'm at. Didn't do much with the rest of this. I hooked up the battery to it, run the battery dead a couple times, just turning it over, so it looks like I got good oil pressure and stuff in it. Anyway, back to trying to figure this out. I'd like to, only got one more day to work on it before I go back to work. So my goal today is to at least get this bed on here roughly where I want it, and some kind of frame to hold it up. Now here's the left side kind of welded together. What I decided to do was just match these up here, and that's what I did. I still got to do this side, and I put a little 3/4 inch piece in there, and that's all just tack welded to it. It's pretty strong right now. I was thinking about putting a big old 2-inch piece of iron in there as a brace, but I think, you know, some of that 1 inch down there will be more than enough to hold up the weight. All it's going to be is a battery and a gas tank, and when these are welded together, it'll be plenty strong. So this side's done. Now I have to cut me a piece and tack this side together. This one won't be as bad. It's a lot straighter than the other one. Well, here we go at the end of the day. Got this one welded, ground off pretty good. Welded my plate in there a few times. Got this one kind of tacked in. This side is all been welded up. I only ground it right there on the top. Got tired, but bed's on and straight. Got about 1.5 inches here, about the same here. I'm not sure, I might not have it on. That's about right. It's touching here on the back almost. Got my front frame just about where it needs to go. It needs to go back about 1/2 inch. And this one, got it clamped down. I think it needs to go forward a little. Anyway, that's all in there and welded solid, and it's plenty strong. You can see it flexing a little. That's because of the metal here on the springs, but it's not going to take a lot of bracing to hold up a gas tank. And I got a Z step down here now. And I can just cut some 1/4 inch stuff, probably that big chunk laying down there, and make me a little Z step brace for that, and that'll brace the tail piece. It's plenty strong. So anyway, that's the installation of the bucket, and I found out that this is a 1914. My wife was cleaning up the numbers here and discovered the serial number. Where is it? Right there. 18569. And it looks like 1914 to 1916 was 90,000. So this is probably a 1914, late 1914 steel body. I thought it was a 28, but no, 1914. 100-year-old car. So I'm glad I didn't decide to bondo up and smooth all this stuff out. I'm going to leave it just like it is. Got a cool little license plate thing here. I don't know, I paid way too much for it. 80 bucks or something like that. It's got a bulb and some other stuff. Little jewels on it. And I'll figure out some way of getting the light. It's got an old rusty bracket. I'll mount it right on there. And that'll be my license plate. And won't have to go with a new pretty one or anything. I'll just use this. So anyway, project moving along. A little bracing, I can finish that tomorrow. Got another major project build in the trunk for it, but that's not gonna be near as bad as a lot of other stuff. At least I got it on and it's all straight. And put my gas tank and battery in it. I just got a few little things to do and I can run and drive this. Well, I set up this tank and stuff in here. I made me a box there the size of the battery, and I've got this pretty much level and mounted where it's supposed to go. Now all I got to do is make a battery box, and got the tank level so it'll drain properly. Still got a bunch of work to do in here, but moving along. It's welded on and starting to put the parts together.